In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from Family Link Google. To get started, open the Google Family Link app on your Android phone or iPhone. If you prefer, you can also do this in a web browser by signing in to your Google Family settings. Either option works, so just use the one that's easiest for you. Once you're in, make sure you sign in with the parent account or the Family Manager account that controls the family group. This part is important because only the family manager can make changes like removing someone from the group. If you're signed into a different Google account, you may not see the correct settings. After that, look through the list of family members and select the person you want to remove. Tap their name if you're using the app or click it if you're on a computer. This will take you to their member details where you can manage settings related to that account. Next, open the account settings or the profile management section for that family member. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the web version, but you're looking for the area where membership and account controls are listed. From there, choose the option that says Remove Member or Remove from Family Group. Before you continue, keep in mind that if this person is a supervised child account, Google may require extra steps first. In some cases, you'll need to stop supervision or follow the on-screen prompts before the child can be removed from the family group. When the removal option appears, take a moment to read the information on the screen carefully. Google usually explains what will happen after the member is removed. For example, they may lose access to shared family services, subscriptions, or other group benefits. Reading this message helps you avoid surprises later. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the removal. You may be asked to verify your identity before the change is completed. That's a normal security step, and it helps make sure only the family manager can make updates like this. After you confirm, give it a little time for the changes to sync. The family group should update automatically, and the person you removed will no longer have access to shared family benefits. And that's it. That's how to remove members from Family Link Google quickly and safely.